All right, we are back on this Friday morning. Want to introduce you to someone very special, John Totten with Totten and Christian, here with me this morning. John, you've been practicing law for how long?
8 years
Eight
here
years.
in the state. That's right.
All right, so you got plenty of practice there. How long have you been in Alabama?
All my life.
All
34
right.
years. That's
And
right.
you're a Bama fan. You guys talk some football up here some too.
No doubt about it.
All
no
right.
doubt about it.
That's always fun. Fun too, I'm sure your profession, you help a lot of folks. Totten and Christian, first of all, handles a variety of things. What do you practice in?
I practice mainly in criminal defense and then automobile accidents, personal injury, those areas right there.
And DUIs.
That's right.
You know, talking about DUIs earlier, simply because we all know probably someone that's affected.
Sure.
You always stress, don't drink and drive. But if that should happen, the biggest mistake probably going in there and say, yeah, I did it, go ahead, give me the consequences. Are there ways around that? Can you make it easier on someone?
No doubt about it. There are all kinds of variables and factors that go into whether somebody's guilty or not of a DUI. And it's very important that somebody analyze their case to determine if they are guilty and what kind of defense they have, how you can lower their fines, how you can lower their probation or even a jail sentence.
You know, immediately when you get arrested for DUI, you're losing your license. What if you have to continue going to work? You have to drive to get there.
That's right. And there are ways,
around that?
There are ways to keep your license too. There's a lawsuit that we can file to keep a license. So you need to check it out. Yes.
Consultation fee is very minimal. You need to check it out because if you don't, one, your insurance is definitely going to go up. And if you can get out of that first charge, hopefully, most importantly, you learn a lesson from it and you learn not to do it again and always have a designated driver. But that is important. So if a DUI comes up, be sure to give John Totten a call. Now, you're located on the square, downtown Athens.
That's right, 105 Marion Street.
You know, it was really nice last night as we were driving back from the Coach Dye Beasley Center event. The square was packed. That's odd for Athens.
Very odd.
Very
it's
odd.
kind of a nice change.
It's a very nice change, and you can see their office. They're the one with the red awning there. What are your business hours?
8 to 5.
Okay,
That's
8 to
right.
5. If they contact you, it says here in the Who's Who magazine, just give you guys a call, send you an email, you respond back. You're going to hear from someone within 24, 48 hours, I'm
That's
sure.
right. We return calls the same day. We're always up with our Blackberries or Trios on email, so you can get us just about any time.
All right. All right. DUIs, automobile accidents. Insurance companies want you to settle immediately, especially if there's been hospitalization. What do you recommend people do?
Well, the insurance company's job is to pay you as little as possible on a particular case or claim. So they need to contact an attorney, have their case evaluated, and maximize the benefit to them for their injury.
Make sure that once you settle, there's no going back, and
That's
a lot
it.
of times you're feeling some pain after the fact. John Dees, our pastor from Cross Point Church, was in an automobile accident, and he didn't think anything of it. 3 months later, he's got his shoulder hurt, had to have surgery, but didn't do anything in time, I guess, on the legal side.
That's
Thought
right.
it was fine.
That's right. Once you sign that release, that's it. And if you have to have another surgery or continue medical visits, you're cut off. You're cut off, and the insurance company will try to get you to do that. It's their job.
So bottom line, people don't need to be afraid to contact an attorney.
No doubt about it. No doubt about it. Protect your interest.
Protect your rights.
That's right.
All right, John. Well, thank you for getting up so early. I know it's tough. Y'all like to sleep, but we do it early. If you're looking for an attorney right here in Athens, you give John Totten a call, or of course Charlotte Christian. If you're going through that divorce, they'll be glad to meet with you and protect your rights. We're going to take a break. We'll be back right after this.